This is a physical color wheel used to illustrate the abstract organization of colors, also called a color wheel, to show the relationships between primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, and it also assists in mixing colors. It's composed of 3 pieces of paper connected with a pin at the center. You could turn it like so. On the outside there is the basic color wheel. This half is warm colors, while the other half is cool colors. Here you can see the values on the grayscale to help you figure out the relative lightness or darkness of a color. Now here's the interesting part. To figure out how to mix colors, select the color you want to use, then line it up with one of these 5. So we have the 3 primary colors mixing red, yellow, and blue, as well as the tint, which is adding white, and shade, which is adding black. So let's do red as an example. So red plus red, which is obviously red, red plus yellow, which gives you orange, red plus blue, which mixes to a deep purple, and then red plus white, which is a lighter red, aka pink, and then finally red plus black, which is a darker red. Good? Still following? On to the next side. While the first side is about mixing colors, this side is used to illustrate the relationships between colors. Again, we have the basic color wheel on the outside, which is also called the pure color. Then underneath we have corresponding tint, aka adding white, tone, adding gray, and shade, adding black. In the middle you see these arrows, triangles, and rectangles, and what you do is you point the arrow at the color you're interested in. Let's do blue, and then you can see the relationship it has with other colors. So this one straight across is complementary. Orange and blue are complementary colors. The colors immediately to the left and right of the complementary color creates a split complementary. So you get this skinnier triangle. And finally, a triad is created with these 3 colors that are equally spaced apart on the color wheel. And for blue, we get the 3 primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. And then you can do the same thing with the tetrads, which is this rectangle and square. So that's my really brief summary of how to use the color wheel. It could be really helpful when you're just starting out and learning how to mix colors. I also have another video that goes over color theory terms. So if you don't know what complementary or analogous means, that is a great video for beginners. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.